Hi guys, I'm Aaron Little. This is Performance Edge, and today we're here to talk about a product from NSR Tactical. So we've got Dave Black, owner of NSR Tactical, and if you don't know, I need to do a video about it because I don't think I have yet. But my current favorite flashlight is made by Surefire. I think a lot of people's favorite flashlights made by Surefire, and it's the Surefire Tactician. And I love this light. And again, I'll do a video about the Tactician, but there's one thing that personally I'm not the biggest fan of. But only one thing. Everything else is just spot on great about this light. But I prefer to carry my flashlight this way instead of this way. And the reason being, for me and my build and the pants I wear and all those things, is lots of discharges, right? Accidental discharges when the flashlight's in my pocket with the switch down. So Dave, I guess, kind of agreed with me on that. So NSR Tactical came up with a solution. I'm going to shut up, and Dave's going to tell you about that solution.
You and a million other people are like, bezel down, bezel down. And then when I made the bezel down pouch, they're like, we want bezel up pouch. Okay. Nature of the beast.
Sell them what they want.
So this is something that you can just put in your pocket. We decided to put an Ulti-Clip XL on there. So you can either wear it inside the pants or just in your pocket, back pocket, wherever. The main thing is...
What's an Ulti-Clip XL? I know, but they might not.
Okay, sorry, my bad.
No worries.
So this is a metal clip that'll go on your go through your pants, and then latch down, just like that.
Does it have to go on a belt?
It doesn't have to go on a belt, but this actually is an 1.5 inch clip, and it will go on a belt.
But I could also clip that to a pocket, a waistband,
anything.
The elastic band of running shorts or whatever.
Awesome. All that stuff. This pouch, you can mount whatever attachment you want to this. So you can mount it to Molly, you can put a soft loop on it and carry it inside the waistband like that. You can put a tech lock on it, wear it on your duty belt, all kinds of stuff.
Awesome. If I remember right, the last time you were in front of my camera, we talked about your tourniquet pouch, your tourniquet holster. Is it possible to, look at that.
This one.
Is it possible to attach this to that and have like a flashlight tourniquet combo?
Sure, same whole pattern.
Or a flashlight extra mag?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's nice about this, guys, is it's designed to hold the Tactician. This pouch is for the Tactician and the Tactician only. Might be other flashlights in the future.
If another one is super popular, sure.
Awesome.
But this one is the second best-selling light of Surefire's of all time.
Fantastic.
Next to the X300.
So this pouch is designed to take this flashlight bezel down, keeping the switch up, and you can carry it anywhere. You can even carry it on your gear and not on your person if you wanted. Dave, I think this is fantastic. Where do they find it?
NSRTactical.com.
If they have questions about it, where do they go to get questions answered?
Just send in a contact form.
Okay. Could they also go to facebook.com/something?
I don't remember what the group is.
There's an NSR Tactical Facebook group.
Yeah.
Go to Facebook, go to the search bar, NSR Tactical.
You'll find it.
You'll find it. If I remember...
Instagram, there's another one too.
If I remember when I edit the video, I'll put some of that stuff in the descriptions. Anything else you want to say about it?
No, man. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean...
All right, guys.
It is.
Obviously, Dave's a friend of mine. When he's in my town, I get a chance to get him in front of my camera. I want to do that and give him an opportunity to talk about what's going on at NSR. I really like this product, so I thought it was important to tell you about. So check out the information in the description below. And you good?
I'm good.
We'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. I know we just wrapped up shooting a video, but once the camera stopped rolling, I told Dave it's too bad there's not a discount, that I don't have a discount code to give you guys to save you some money on that product. So what we've got, we put together a 10% discount code. I'm believing that's off of any NSR product. I just got a head shake. Yes, off of any NSR product, but specifically because of this flashlight pouch. So if you want to buy something from NSR, discount code is Performance Edge, all one word. I'll put it down below. It's probably on the screen somewhere here too. But discount code Performance Edge, saves you 10% off anything at NSR Tactical.